Hey, YouTube world, here Kirkpatrick. Thanks for stopping by. We're in the man cave again tonight. Can't stay away from this place. Got so much stuff up here, man. It'll blow your mind. It really would. You heard that? That's my ham radio over there. I fired one of them. I got two different radios. But anyway, I fired one of them up tonight. Flipped around. Stopped on one, just said, there it goes again. Said N4LC. That's my call sign. November 4 Lima Charlie. Yeah, ham radio. I'm an amateur extra as high as you can go, and I'm also got a general radio telephone license with radar endorsement. You can stick me on a plane or ship, wherever. Need a radio officer. I'm qualified. Pays good money, but you're away from home way too long. Yeah. You think about a boat going from Saudi Arabia all the way to New Orleans to unload, and you got to be the radio officer on there with 12 people that don't speak English very well. Yeah, that's a trip. Pay good money though. Yeah, well, anyhow, yeah, I just fired that thing up over there, and hope y'all stay with me now. It's gonna be more to this. And my buddy KE4UWJ, King Edward IV United Whiskey Japan. I'm not the correct phonetics, but anyway, that's what he gives his call out phonetically. King Edward IV United Whiskey Japan. And he'll say Japan. Whatever it is. But anyhow, hey trip, old James. We was able to sit there and talk tonight on that radio for about an hour. Yeah, back and forth. Kind of like getting on a cell phone, but really not. That's kind of the difference. I know ham radio went down to tubes when the cell phone come out, because, well, what are you talking about? You can communicate to somebody in Germany. I can communicate to anybody in the world on this thing. It don't matter about radio waves or conditions. I can do it 90% of the time. I drop that booger. Anyhow, readjust here. That hit my foot. That hurt. Anyhow, yeah. So ham radio. It's another means of communications, and only about 1% of Americans are licensed for that. But there's a saying about ham radio. It says when it hits the fan and all else fails, ham radio comes through, and that is so true. During hurricanes, when it has a hurricane group, yeah, they go right where the hurricanes are, and as soon as it's over with, they set up communications and start communicating. Yeah, pretty cool thing. Get into it. Let's do a little more picking here. Let's go. Nice little old dude there. He's got a little John Prine in it. Anyhow, talking about communications there. That's the heat. That's the purposes here video tonight. Let's talk a little bit about communications. Man, I got a dude at work that he walks around, and I don't see how he navigates through the damn office, because he's always got a phone in his face. It's all everything thing. Everything coming through that communicated device you got, and it's dictating his next move. Yeah. So what I want to ask you tonight, what I want to ask you tonight is, that little thing dictating your next move? Hope not. Yep. When it does, you have entered a zone I don't know about. That radio goes off again. You've entered a zone I don't know about. And personally don't care to know about. But that's the way you got to conduct your life, is with a device in front of your face. Well, who am I to say? But I can tell you one thing. I just dropped my device on the floor, hit my foot. Oh, you ripped, stayed under half the night. I think I got it on vibrate. Maybe to walk across the carpet. Who gives a rip? That's what you need to think, gang. Who gives a rip? Don't let them little square computer tracker boxes, or what do you call them things? Oh, cell phone. Yeah, cell. They just call them cells nowadays, I think. I think they just call them its, you know. Where's your it? I got my hand in my back pocket. I don't know. Well, anyhow, let me take it on out with another little deal here. I don't know, some of y'all may know this one. It's from Brandon Eddy. Yeah, got sidetracked on that. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for stopping by, Ed Kirkpatrick. We love each and every one of y'all. Oh, we had a t-shirt deal. Yep. Got t-shirts going out Friday. Yeah. And, why, heck, let's do it again. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it again. If you stayed to the end of this video and you didn't get a request in for a t-shirt, I got from 2X to medium now. And, you don't get to select the color. I'll send you the color based on your icon and your words. Now, I ain't judging you. I'm just summing you up. Yeah. That's what old fella told me one time. I ain't judging you. I'm just summing you up. Can summing you up lead to judgment? I don't know. I don't want to go there. Y'all have a good one. That's too much information to say. TMI, Ed Kirkpatrick. Adios. God bless y'all.